Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. Keratin treatment. This treatment is very much popular nowadays for frizz-free hair. Yes, and this is very costly also, so everyone can't afford this, and full of chemicals as well. So this is harmful also. So in this video, I am going to share a very natural Ayurvedic formula which will give you same effect. So you can do your keratin treatment at home. Let's start this video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest notification. So let's do the keratin treatment at home. For that, first we have to make rice water. For that, take 4 tablespoons of rice. Yes, 4 tablespoons of rice and 1.5 glass of water. Now leave it for 2 to 4 hours and after that just strain. So this is your rice water. Now add 2 teaspoons of Amla juice in this. So with this water, you have to wash your hair. First do the shampoo. Shampoo should be sulfate and paraben free, and after your shampoo, just wash your hair with this water. And trust me, this is going to give you very good result. Rice water, this is really healthy because it contains protein, vitamin E and vitamin B. On the other hand, Amla juice, this contains very huge amount of vitamin C. So definitely you'll get the amazing results and with the natural method. So I hope you like this video, so you can do this keratin treatment at home, and don't forget to tell me the results in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.